2X, baby.
2X, I got some 2X hoodie. I got 2X for you.
Old school is ready.
Okay, I ain't even really seen him make no pass. Where y'all at? Got the right draw. I like the way he do his burnout.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
He knows something.
Come straight back. Straight back. Straight back.
Straight back, baby. You on?
Straight back, big dog.
There it is right there. You ready? You ready? They got that carburetor doing. Okay. Damn, he got juice? Oh, damn. Man, this might be alright. What, he letting them get out there or what? Here it comes. Yeah.
Put that shit out.
Yeah.
Look how it turn out.
Yeah.
When he talking about that, you see that? Bullet. Yeah, nigga.
Okay, hey, look out, say it, go on, let them know.
Hey, go to YouTube, subscribe to Lookout Racing.
Yeah, man, appreciate it. Look at him too, man.
The Golden Dog.
Oh, appreciate it, man, appreciate it. Already, we in
If
here.
y'all don't subscribe, there's gonna be 10,000 spiders in your bed.
10,000, hey, man, y'all better, if y'all don't want no spiders in your bed, you better go on subscribe, man. If you don't want no spiders in your bed, man, get your subscribe on, man. He gonna come over your house. He gonna come over your house and put them in there, man. All right, y'all, this is the last race right here. Tell him he ain't gotta do that much burnout and he on a full sleep. Them tires cost too much for him to be doing like that, man. They say the slicks for the big rims like that cost about $2,500. Yeah, they say that the tires cost about 20. Damn, who are that? Is that him? Nah, it ain't him. That's that truck that just left. Oh, okay. No.
Man, his shit did something though. Hey, drag him all the way back.
It ain't enough to stop him from hooking. spot. One more spot. One more spot. Yeah, he should be ready now. Oh, boy, I ain't finna spin. Left side. Left side and went around him, y'all. Hey, man, look out, y'all. Appreciate y'all being on here with me tonight, man. We about to go on here and roll out, man. We out here at I-30 Dragway. We live. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, share. Get on my YouTube channel. If you want to be on the further updates and be live with me, make sure y'all join Twitch at Lookout Racing. I'm gonna get the link and everything set up for y'all, man. It's been a pleasure being here with y'all all night tonight, man. I had a wonderful time, man. Wonderful time. Look out, man. I appreciate all my little followers, you know what I'm saying, coming in here, you know what I'm saying. Look out, man. I appreciate all y'all looking out for me, man. It's been I done had a good night tonight. Look out.